We're in the autopsy room here at Fairfield Infirmary. We're doing the Estes, and yeah. Are there any spirits in here that like to talk to us? You guys had a lot to say when we came through last time with the portal box. Are you guys still around? We came all the way from Baltimore, Maryland to talk to you. If there's any spirits in the morgue itself, which is to our right, feel free to come in and talk to us. You can talk to Alston. He can hear you if you're talking to the spirit box. Can you tell us your name? Is it okay that we're in here talking to you? Do you want us to leave? What year were you at the infirmary here? Come on in and talk to us. Don't be shy. Just talk to Alston right through the spirit box. He can hear you in the headphones. Make yourself heard. Can you tell us how old you are? Do you know what year it is now? I haven't seen that much is going through. It's been kind of slow tonight here. Could be because it's 15 degrees here in the building. Don't be shy. Come talk to us. This is going to be the last thing we do here, and then we're going to leave.
Reflex?
Reflex. What does reflex mean?
There's like barely anything coming through besides like white noise.
Probably cut off from radio signals down here. Can you scream into the box so Alston can hear you? Scream really loud. not gonna be able to stay much longer. So. It won't be long till Mr. Austin falls asleep under the Estes. Can you tell us how you passed away? Were you from Ohio?
Hey,
Hey, how are you? Nice to meet you. My name is Paul, and that's Austin. And you could talk to him right through that box. He'll hear you. I'm getting chills all of a sudden. This is like the warmest heated room in the place.
I'm sick.
You're sick. What are you sick from? Did you have a disease?
There's one.
There's one. Can you tell us your name?
Go around back.
Are you buried in the hill out back?
All of us.
All of you are buried out back? Yeah, we know. It's been told that you're buried standing up. Is that true? You're not even laid to rest. That's very wrong how they treated you.
Go look.
I have been out there. The last time I was here, I was out there. There's a lot of snow out there right now, though, that we can't really get through. Maybe if we come back another time, it'll be green and we can go out there. Be nice green grass. Can you tell us your name?
Underground.
I know you're buried under the ground. Are you stuck here? Are you here because your body is here? Or is this the only place you knew? Which I could definitely understand that if this was the only place you knew. Do you see this place the way it was when you were here, or the way it is now? Oh boy, he's zoning out again over there. Well, this is a short little video in the morgue. The last thing we're doing for the night because it's really cold in the building and Mr. Alston is tired, so that's probably gonna be it. And yeah, until the next adventure.